brief video. So it snowed last night, aka it's still snowing. I have a tape measure for proof. As you can see, it is still snowing. Ladies and gentlemen, that's let me get in on this. That is approximately 2 feet of snow. And just so that we're absolutely clear, it has not stopped snowing and is not supposed to stop until several hours from now. So here's your weather report. Semi-aftermath, it is still ever so slightly snowing. My beautiful wife. And this is her car. You want to stand next to your car, honey?
We'll kind of move along this way.
So this is next to her car. That is a Mazda CX-5. And as you can tell, that's several feet above her head. Buried. And this is what our cars look like. And you can kind of see the snow buildup on my roof. First real heavy snowfall of the year. My beautiful wife again. Good times, absolutely good times. And I would like to say thank you, honey, for helping me shovel, because otherwise this would be no fun at all. Well, I didn't eat it or fall down, so mission accomplished.